Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. And I have a Dollar Tree haul, and the district manager made a liar out of me because starting the week of the 25th, everything will be $1.25 at my Dollar Tree stores. There we go. That's what. Okay, so I'm here. I got paper plates and what else I get? Oh, shampoos and stuff. But this is the fun stuff, as I call it. Diamond asked me to pick her up some tissue paper because Riley's got a birthday party. So I got a tissue paper for Diamond, and then she asked me to get a birthday bag. They were out of little girls' birthday bags that were like, say, happy birthday. So I picked up Minnie Mouse. I think that'll work. I hope that's what she wanted. So I got that. Set this aside. Then I hit the Valentine's stuff. I found, and I'm so stoked, I actually bought 3 of these. This one's a gift. Look at, let's open. It says, I love you. I don't even know what the truck looks like. Oh, look at. That's cute. They didn't have the little, like, shaped wooden pieces, which I didn't need anyway, but that's cute. I got that. And then, I got this. I only had one of these. And then, I only got, hey, guys. I did really good because, they had cool stickers, okay? But I didn't need any. But I bought 1 pack, and the only reason I bought this one is because I wanted the camera. I thought the camera was cute. So that's the only stickers I bought was this one. I'm pretty proud of myself. And then I picked up. So here it is. Ready? Look it! So cute. The gnomes. And then found one of these in 1 truck. So I got lucky. And then, what else is in here? Oh, Diamond asked me to grab some kids' toothpaste. So this is what they had. So, mild bubble fruit. So I picked her up too because they're kind of small. If they're, I don't know. And let's see. Oh, got me some double-sided tape. And look at these little critters. A little fox and all the, another fox and a hedgehog. That was cute. Oh, I picked up some sinus congestion. So they had that. And I wanted another one of these. And I got the little cupcakes. I got me some little gnomes. Didn't have anything else except I found this on a shelf. And then I thought these were cool. And I'm going to test these out, guys, because I want to see how well they work. So I'm going to have a Dollar Tree review coming up. And maybe I'll do it right after this video. They had the jots. It says flowers. And then lines. And then, of course, I had it scented. Man, I love scents. And this one is shaped in stamps. Foot, little paw print, star, butterfly, heart, I'm thinking. So I'm going to do a product review on these video. You'll see that coming up. And I bought 2 of the strings. Got the red, pink. And got some more double-sided paint, or tape. Got me some black paint, because I'm always running out of black. And I was out of this blue. I'd have picked up more of this blue because I like this blue. And I only had 1. I only went to one Dollar Tree today. It was cold out, and I was like, and I got Diamond and kids coming over. I just wanted to get in and out kind of thing. Got some violet. Thought it was pretty. Oh, another thing on my sinus congestion. You know, for $1, this stuff works really good, actually. Just let you know. And I got me a wind chime because I like doing these and I hang them in my room. And then in the summer, when my window's open, I hear ding, ding, ding. And it's just a little sun and sunglasses one. I thought it was cute. So I got that. And then what's in here? I got this for my plug in my bathroom's broke, so I'm hoping this fits. And then I got that big one. Oh, and I got this for my toilet. And I got some this. So you could tell that people know that the prices are changing. Because there's like 2 of these, 3 of those. And you're going to be like, well, Tina, why'd you get so many of these? This is Goo Gone. See all of them? Okay. I learned a lesson, and I won't be doing it next year. I used full mountain tape on my cupboards to hang up stuff at Christmas, and the sticky stuck. I have to use Goo Gone to get it done. So I probably could have bought a big bottle somewhere else. So I bought a bunch of little ones. And that is my Dollar Tree haul. Told you. Not a big haul. I bought some things that were necessary, some things that weren't, some things that were fun. I'm stocked on this. I bought some of this a couple weeks ago, so kind of stocked up a little bit. But I got some novelty stuff. This is the first time I've ever seen these. I've got these at General Dollar or Dollar General. I always say it wrong. And I got these there. I've never seen them at the Dollar Tree, so I thought that was pretty cool, so I picked them up. But I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.